Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you have enjoyed a lot in this vacation, right? So here I am back with a wonderful craft for you all. So now I am going to show you something. You all need to guess what it is. So who can guess what is this? See, what is this? Who can tell me? Right, it is a toothbrush. So who can tell me what do we do with a toothbrush? Who can tell me? Yes, we brush our teeth. Right? So do you know, children, why do we brush our teeth? Why do we brush? Is it important to brush our teeth? Yes, but why? Because when we brush our teeth, it kills all the germs from our tooth. Right? And children, do you know we should brush our teeth twice daily, 2 times. Once when we get up early in the morning and second time when we go to sleep. Before that, right? So it is very important to brush your teeth. And do you know what is the correct way to brush your teeth? You should always hold your brush and you have to brush in a circular way. Okay, so now we are going to start making this beautiful brush craft. Okay, so are you all ready, children? So let's start. So children, the materials that we require for this craft are 2 sheets, one of any color of your choice, and the second must be white color sheet. Okay, for making this part of the brush, so it has to be a white sheet. Okay, other than these 2 sheets, we require a Fevistick, a scissor, and 2 sketch pen of any color. Okay, so now let's start making the craft. So first we have to take this color sheet of A4 size paper. Okay, take A4 size paper of any color and then fold it from this center. Fold it from the center like this. Okay. See, like this. And now we are going to make a cut from the center. So children, don't use scissor. If you are using scissor, take your mama's help. Ask mama to cut. Don't use scissors by yourself, okay? Because scissors are very sharp. So take your mama's help. So just cut it like this, children. Okay, so now we have got this shape. And with the white sheet, I have made this rectangular shapes. Okay, I have made 4 rectangular shape with the help of this white sheet. So what you have to do, you just have to fold it once and then again twice and then again 4 times you have to fold, and as a result you are going to get this small size, and then you have to cut it with the scissor. So now what you have to do, take all these papers together, okay, and then just make a cut like this. See, leave some space and then again make a cut, then again leave some space and make a cut. Like this we have to make the cut for the whole sheet, like this. Okay. these are all the 4 sheets that I have taken together. Now we have to take this sheet and again make a fold like this. See, I have made a fold like this. Now we just need to stick this with the help of Fevi-stick. So see, like this. Now all the 4 papers we have to stick one above the other. Just on the top of that paper, again we have to stick the paper. Now all the 4 papers I have sticked it like this. Now I am going to apply the glue here and cover it this like this. See, so we have got the shape of our brush. Now what we have to do, just take the scissor and we need to give a bit of circular shape at the top from both the sides and similarly from the down also. Like this. See, and now we are going to make a smiley with the help of the sketch pen. So children, now we are going to make the face of the brush, our toothbrush. See, like this we have made 2 eyes, and now with the help of another color we are going to make the nose. So now our toothbrush is complete. See? So children, I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this toothbrush craft, right? So I promise you all that I'll be soon back with another interesting video for you all. So till that time, you have to take good care of yourself and keep smiling. So for keep smiling, what you have to do? You have to brush your teeth daily twice. So take good care of yourself and keep smiling. Bye bye.